Hello everyone, my name is Augustya Dangwal. I study in class 6 APJ Swaran Global School. Today, I will present you my cat hurdle game I made with Scratch. Let us now see how I have designed the game. So, I've made 3 variables here. This is to tell the score. This is to make sure the player cannot jump once the ball has touched it, and set the score flag. This is another variable I have used to make sure even if you jump randomly, you will not get an extra point. Now let us move on to when the up arrow is pressed. So if the stop is equal to 0 and the score is equal to 2, then the player moves on to the next stage. If the score is equal to 5, then the backdrop changes to farm. If the score is equal to 7, it will stop just because you have won the game once you have got 7 points. The repeat 10 and change y by 12 means the jump animation. So if I press the up arrow, the cat will jump and come back down. So if the cat is touching the ball, it switches the backdrop to the jungle 2, which is basically the same backdrop but with a game over. And it will set the stop to 1, which means the player is unable to do anything after that. Now this is the code of the ball, of how it constantly moves there. So this is the same thing. Wait until touching sprite 1. This is the sprite 1 and this is the sprite 2. It is the same thing. It will stop once it has touched the cat. So it will start from here and it will wait 5 seconds, since you have to read the story first, and then it will glide 2 seconds. It will take it 2 seconds to glide from here to all the way over here. So if the X position is smaller than -200, then it will make sure that the score only goes up by 1, so that if you constantly jump, you will not get any points. And this, if stop is equal to 0 and score is equal to 2, then and the reason I've placed X position is smaller than 120 is because if you don't add this, then the moment you get into the hayfield level, you will just constantly die. And switch costume to ball E, which is basically a purple color of this. So that is it for the code. Note this, changing the scores will increase the number of times the cat has to jump over the ball before the level changes. That is it for my presentation. I hope you liked it. And I hope you enjoyed the game. If you want to play it, the link is right here. And thank you everyone.